Pahalgam of Darjeeling. Basically, it's near Sukhiapokhri and the place is called also Majidhura. So we went there. It is very close to Lepcha Jagat hanging bridge and we are going towards. So you can see the road. The road is not that good, but it's not that bad either. The road is bumpy and the car will go up to football ground, and from there you have to walk to reach the destination. You want to see a new place? I heard about that. Rajeshi told me let's go to Pahalgam. I thought Pahalgam, that is in Kashmir, but it is in Darjeeling. So it's very close to Lepcha Jagat hanging bridge. We cannot compare Pahalgam, the Kashmir one, with the Darjeeling one, but definitely few for the trees it will look like a Pahalgam effect. So that's why it is called Pahalgam. Right now this is a tourist spot. So you can see there. I'm trying to go closer, very close to Lepcha Jagat. You can try it. So here, this is the field, and it's really
11th
foggy.
of
It's
November
10th of
2025.
November, and time is around 1 p.m. So this is called Pahalgam of Darjeeling, and this is the football ground over here. There, the car will come till here. Oh, my parents are there. They are very busy in clicking picture. What do you think when you are traveling with, be with Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel? Apart from cooking, you can see some beautiful places, which is definitely sometimes rare. I won't say it's a hidden gem. Nothing is hidden. Once it is in internet or it is people are seeing this, it cannot be hidden. So what I can say, it's an unique one. And one more thing, please, no trolling. The name of this place is Pahalgam. So I asked Rajesh ji about this place, and when I came here, so I saw that it's not same to same, it is not possible, but the trees over here, so there is an effect of Pahalgam. That's why right now it is going to be a tourist spot. Not many people know about this, and I'm not saying I'm the only person who came here. So let's go explore the place, the field. Basically this is a very big football ground. Here is the place basically, and you can have horse riding too. It's a very new place, Pahalgam of Darjeeling. Of course, it's a good place. Now I understand why it's called Pahalgam. Similarity is there, so there can be two names which is very similar, and I don't compare any places. Nice one. See, it's foggy, and I have seen there are some pre-wedding shoot. ये कहाँ से आ गया? That is my father. It reminds me of DDLJ. শুধু গরুটা তাড়া না করলেই হলো, and I'm not wearing red today, so I'm safe, I guess. There is a pre-wedding shoot going on. And unfortunately I saw it's as horse bagora, but this is guru, cow. As I said, this is not a hidden gem. So many people are coming here. Maybe they will say it's Kashmir or something like that, but actually it is in Darjeeling. Much more cheaper. That's why most of the photo shoots are here. If it's not even Kashmir, it looks like Kashmir. With the edit, they can show it as Kashmir. So the cheaper way you can get this in this Pahalgam, the Darjeeling one. So I have seen so many photo shoots. Only the photographers and pre-wedding shoot, That's it, nothing else. The place is actually good, but maximum they are just tourist and Bengali. So, and they just throw bottle here and there. The place, I don't know how long it can have their charms. Here comes my father's photography. He was actually capturing the place, and that's why he just tilted the camera, mobile camera, and he was capturing me also. And that's my mother's voice. She is instructing my father how to click picture, how to do the video. So this is kind of funny. And I was far away from that place because I was doing the vlog of Pahalgam. So you can see me later. They tried to capture me. There I am. You can see me that how I am capturing the voice you have heard in the videos. Directly I speak. I don't have any speaker or anything. Just directly I keep talking. I don't have any script, nothing. Whatever I feel like I just say. And mainly I was trying to give the information, proper information. And I don't do the edit because I feel that you should see the place in my eyes, like the way I just see. So this is how it looked like. That's why I'm sharing in that way. This is the video my mother captured basically, and I was there, and really very good. And this one my father captured later. I saw because I was doing the vlog and he was following me, like in football, the marking. So this is how he always follow me. This year with my vlog I thought to attach the video of which my father and mother they have taken. It is nice, like they are with me, so their kind of photo and videos will be there. Again, this is captured by my father. So Pahalgaon in his eyes, the way he saw and he captured. This one is captured by my mother, and her specialty is she doesn't move from anywhere. She will stand at one place and then she will move the camera. That's it. And this is very unfortunate. Here I don't have a photograph of three of us because she was not ready to click picture. So in the starting of the video I have their video, my mom and dad, and it is really very tough to ask them to click picture because they don't like. This one ma clicked for sure. Okay, this is really very irritating. I don't know what sort of tourists are that. আমিও নিজে বাঙালি, and these guys, so they thought I'm a local one. Without my permission they are going to click my photos, and their language is কি হইছে, কোথা থেকে আইছিস, আচ্ছা দৌড়ে দৌড়ে আইরে. So this is what their language is. They are not from Kolkata, definitely not from proper Kolkata. Whatever it is, this is not right. You cannot take whenever I am taking any picture of anybody, any local or anybody, I seek for the permission, and I do look like a local one. That does not mean that you can tease. Even they are like teasing me. Not done. I don't like it. Apart from this little bit bad experience, though I handled it properly, everything was good. So we are heading towards Darjeeling and we will check in to Revolver Hotel. Stay tuned.